Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this awesome 4-in-1 magnetic wireless charging dock by a company called Laboban. And this is a really cool charging dock for all your devices. Really, it has you completely covered. You have 4 different places to charge devices here. First up, you've got this cool rotating dock. And this has a charging port for any device. It's got a micro USB, it's got a Type-C, and it's got an Apple Lightning port. And so whatever device you have, you just turn it to that, and then you put it down on there, and it leans against this back here. And so this isn't wireless here, this is actual connection, so you're going to get really fast charging through that, which is awesome. And the fact that you can charge any device, micro USB, USB, or Lightning. Then here you have a MagSafe compatible magnetic wireless charging station. So this will work to charge, of course, any iPhone that's capable of wireless charging. And if it's a MagSafe phone, you're going to see it's full MagSafe compatible. You do get that MagSafe logo when you put your phone on there. But it will also charge any device that's capable of key wireless charging, would be that a Samsung device or any other device, and it will charge fast wireless charging too, up to 10 watts fast wireless charging. Then you have a dock here. This is specifically for Apple AirPods or any of the Apple earbuds. Has the traditional Lightning port, and you see you've got this little curved dock, so just sits right down on there and nest nicely on there to get charging. And then you have a stand for a Apple Watch wireless charger. Now, the Apple Watch wireless charger itself does not come with this. You use your own Apple Watch charger, but it's got this cool stand for it. It just snaps right in there, and a place for the cord in the back. And what's cool is, even though this doesn't include the charger, it does include the charging port. So you have the cord that powers this whole thing, and it does come with your quick charge charger to power it and make sure you're getting the fast wireless charging and all that good stuff. But then you have a USB and a USB-C port here on the back, so that you can plug your Apple Watch charger into whichever one you have to give that power. So they really have you covered. Very simple, but very cool looking. They also have this little notch here. You might think, what is that notch for? Well, that provides a way to dock your phone if you're watching a video or something. If maybe this is by your bedside or on your desk at work and you're watching a video, you can put your phone in there and it'll just sit there horizontally to be able to be in the perfect angle to watch a video. So they even have that little extra bonus. Really excellent product. All the charging works great. The fact that you have the wireless charging for any phone here, key wireless charging. You've got the dock for your earbuds. You've got your charging dock that is compatible with any phone basically on the market, which is great. And then the stand to attach your Apple Watch charger to charge your Apple Watch. Really excellent device. If you're looking for a multiple device charger, this would be great, not just by a bed or on a desk, but also in a common area so the whole family can charge their different devices. Would be great for something like that as well. Really excellent device, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions for me, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.